Jamaicans are beautiful and unique. They are kind and shares the little they have. They come out tops when it come on to sharing. I searched high and low but there are no other, like the authentic Jamaican folks. Jamaica is not the smallest island. And not the biggest one either, but Jamaicans have a unique quality. And it shows everywhere they go. Is it any wonder Jamaicans are still popular? Despite the many shenanigans, other ethnic groups come from near and far to associate with a piece of Jamaica. African men love and adopt Jamaican styles. African women love and adopt Jamaican language. Some even start to rebrand themselves as Jamaicans. Our men are so popular that African sistas move from across Africa to seek partners. They just love the Jamaican lifestyle and popular culture. They become hypnotized by the beautiful Jamaicans. The word Jamaica makes them feel alive. Being a Jamaican give them a new kind of confidence. Being a Jamaican make them feel more desired. Without the Jamaican people they wouldn't feel this way. Jamaican people are naturally sexy. I once saw a woman faint in a room when realized she was in the presence of a Jamaican king. African American females get excited when they are in the company of a real Jamaican man. White British and American women trail hot spots to rub a dub with a Jamaican man. European women sneak into Jamaica behind their men backs just to whistle at Jamaican men. They gyrate and gallivant like Jamaican women to seek the attention of Jamaican men. When they spot a Jamaican man, they push out their derriere. Some even do handstands and bum flicks, twerking and winking to a Jamaican man as if sedated by a drug. It gives a natural high. It drives up their confidence. Tongues a waggin', lips a leakin', wide-eye grins and titty shakin', hair flick and bumper grindin'. The aura of Jamaica turns them on. Being in Bob Marley country can do that to you. It's the essence of Jamaica.